Hello, fellow dividend investors. It's that dividend guy coming at you with another dividend investing video. Hopefully, everybody had a great green day, a GGD in the market. Hopefully, everybody is kind of bouncing back. It's great to see a little green in the portfolio today. So let's go over the portfolio overall, the individual stocks, and then take a look at the watch list and then kind of my overall census of the market. So today we're up about $400 for the week. We're down 496. The month, we're down 4,300. 3 month mark, we're still down 5 grand. For the year, we're down 2,200. And then all time, we're down 2,600, so 16%. Not too bad. Honestly, it's weird because when I see the 3 month mark, I get so excited because that's the value of that's the peak value, right? And that puts me over 19K. So that makes me so excited to be an investor. I'm gonna hit over 20K this year, which is insane to me. And the goal for this year is to get $100 more, or excuse me, have $100 pay me every single month, and let that compound, and it will, because that'll be $1,200. That'll be a month off a year, and then it'll just keep compounding every year. So that's the goal for this year. We're already up to like $40 that month too. So let's look at the individual stocks. We have Altria first, of course. Looks like it's bumping back up a little bit. Still at a good value. Still able to buy, I think, two shares. I get $92 that month, which should be next month. Yep. So they pay me $82.32. So with just the Altria dividend, so $68, I'll be able to buy 2 shares and have some extra cash left over. So Altria, 98 shares, $3,300 of equity, almost $4,000 there. $45.30 is our average cost. It is dividend efficient, which is great. 24% of the portfolio is an Altria stock, up $210 today, or 6.86%. And then total, we are down $1,000, 23%. So April 30th. So the end of next month, hopefully the market stays down enough that I can buy 2 shares at a discounted rate. Then we have Coca-Cola at $41.79, up $2.30 today. Again, pays the same month as Altria, but they pay at the beginning of the month. We have 20 shares. We'll make about $8 on that dividend. $835.80 is our equity. $51.26 is our average cost. So we're down $10 now per share. 6% of the portfolio is in Coca-Cola. This is going to be one of the main, if not the main, holding for this set of months for 147.10. I believe they pay kind of weird, but they still pay this month. So we're up $46 today, down $189 total. Not too bad. About $200 down. Then we have FRT. This one's a really good value right now in my portfolio, specifically up $2 today. 1 share, $78.51 of equity, $113.88. So down $40 from where we bought it. About 0.5% of the portfolio is in FRT. That will be going up. This is also a Dividend King, just like MO and Coca-Cola. I'm trying to focus on Dividend Kings currently because they're at such a great value. Up $2 today, down 35 total. And then PepsiCo, they're 3 years away from becoming a Dividend King. I believe 47 years or 48 years now. This will be the 48th year, I believe. We have 1 share, 112.21 is our equity, 131.54 is our average cost. So again, about $20 down, $21 down. About 1% of the portfolio is in Pepsi. We're down $1.63 today, about 1.4%. Total, we're down about $20 a share. Great value right now. Disney, they're close to my buying price again. We have 2 shares, 201.40 of equity, 105.53 is our average cost. 1.45% of the portfolio is in Disney stock. This will be going up, but it won't be a huge position because they only pay a dividend twice a year and they didn't increase it when they were expected to this year. So this will be a decent-sized portfolio, maybe 20 to 25 shares, but I don't want to make it too big. I'd rather be focused on Dividend Kings like the prior ones of Altria. Coca-Cola is another big one, and FRT and real estate. I'm really going to try to focus on real estate as well because I think it's a great thing to own passively through stocks. So we have 2 shares of Disney, 201 of equity, 105.53 is our average cost. About 1.45% of the portfolio is in Disney stock, up $5 today, down $9.66 total. So we're still down on the position. Then we have Lowe's. This starts I believe it's 5/8/11. So this is the next set of months. I love Lowe's. We have 2 shares, 167.96 in equity. 186 is our average cost. 1.2% of the portfolio is in Lowe's stock, up $13 today, down 33 total. This is going to be probably the second biggest holding behind Procter and Gamble. I have not bought them yet because they did drop to a price that I wanted them, but they're not there quite yet. They have dropped. I think they'll drop a little bit more, but Procter and Gamble is going to be the main. So Procter and Gamble and Coca-Cola are going to be the main ones. So for 1 and 2, and then 3 is going to be Johnson and Johnson. Those are going to be the 3 big pillars in the portfolio, but Lowe's will be right after Procter and Gamble in size. So next we have AT&T. This one's a monster. I'm dividend efficient in this as well. 62 shares, $1,700 of equity, 31.10 our average cost. So we're now below I've been waiting for this to get down, so I'm super excited. 12% of the portfolio is in AT&T stock. I love AT&T. I'd rather own them than Disney because they own Warner, so they have a great content library, and they're almost a utility because their telecom people pay their phone bills monthly, so it gives them a really good steady stream of income. 31.10 our average cost. Like I said, 12% of the portfolio, almost 13, is in AT&T. 34.72 we are up today, down 151 total. This will be one that I add forever. Love AT&T. Then we have AbbVie, pharmaceutical play. 60 shares. I am dividend efficient in this one as well. $4,100 of equity. 72.22 is our average cost. And I bought that when they merged with Allergen. So that was a great buy. This is a tremendous buy for AbbVie. I want to buy more. About 30% of the portfolio is in AbbVie stock. $57 up today. 226 total. We are down. Then American Express. This is my favorite credit card stock. 3 shares, $268.50 of equity, $97.73 is our average cost. About 2% of the portfolio is in American Express. This will be, excuse me, this will be a pretty decent position. Probably number 3, behind Procter and Gamble and AT&T. We're up 16 today, down 24 total. Then SKT. This is going to be a really small position in the portfolio. Probably 50 shares. So we are at 20 right now, 143.40 of equity. Average cost is $12.44, so I am dividend efficient in this stock. I have $7, so I'll be dividend efficient for a little bit more, but with the extra from AT&T and or AbbVie, so like I'll be able to buy 1 share of AbbVie at 72 with the AT&T dividend help or whatever. I'll be dividend efficient like 3 stocks this month. So 20 shares, 143.40 is our equity, 12.44 is our average cost, 1.03% of the portfolio, so 1%. I want this less than 5% of the portfolio, and honestly, it'll probably stay about like a 2.5 to 4% with the other stocks that I add. Today we're at $15 total. We're down 105, or almost down. We're down over 40% on this position. Then Johnson & Johnson. This one's the big pillar for this month. 2 shares, $239.94 is our equity, $135.79 is our average cost. About 2% of the portfolio is in Johnson & Johnson. We're up $1.58 today, down 31 total. Then 3M. This will be second place for this set of months. If not, McDonald's might take second place. 2 shares, $263.60 is our equity, $147.28 is our average cost. 2% of the portfolio is in 3M. Down $1.84 today, down almost $31 total, or 10%. Then we've got Target. 10 shares, $915.40 is our equity, $87.68 is our average cost. 6.59% of the portfolio is in Target stock, down 90 today, up 38. So we bought this at a great price. Then Dominion, love utilities. 2 shares, $134.68 equity, $80.52 is our average cost. 1% of the portfolio is in Dominion. Up $3 today, down 26 total, almost down over 15% on Dominion alone. Then we have ExxonMobil, 32 shares, $1,200 of equity, $70.59 is our average cost. About 8.7% of the portfolio is in ExxonMobil, up 73 today, down over $1,000 total. Down almost 50% on that position. Then Walgreens, 1 share, $41.79. They're in the same position as Pepsi, where I want them to be a decent position, but they're not quite dividend king status. They're both on that really close. They're on the cusp of it at like 40. I think they're at like 46, 45, 46 years, just like Pepsi's at like 47. $41.79 is our equity, $54.60 is our average cost. We're down on this, 0.03% of the portfolio is in Walgreens. I will boost this up, but I don't want it to be a huge position. I just bought it because it's so close to king status, but this will be a decent position, not huge though, maybe 20 shares. 346 down today, down 12 total. Then we are at the watch list. 54.92. I think it's a buy. It's like closer to its low than its high. So I actually do want realty income. I'm going to be focused on realty income in McDonald's because this pays every single month. So this will boost up every month by however many shares that I own. And I'm a fan of real estate. As I said earlier, I do want to buy real estate stocks. So that would be realty income. FRT, Realty Income, and McDonald's. They pay one every single month for this one, and then McDonald's pays on the 36912 that I'm trying to boost up specifically, but this helps every single month. This stock does, so it's great. I think it's a buy. Walmart is a buy. Kimberly-Clark for me is a buy. Illinois Toolworks, I'm not touching it. Colgate's a buy. It's below 6. It's at 60. Procter & Gamble is a buy. Clorox is, I'm not touching it. American States Water, it's fair price. I wouldn't touch it yet. Waste Management, yes, I love that stock. IBM, yes, it's close to its 52-week low. Mickey D's is kind of right in the middle, but I'm a huge fan, so I would probably buy it. And then Home Depot, I'm not touching right now. So that's my overall consensus of my watch list. I will be reinvesting dividends, and next week I should be transferring about 500 over. I want it to be 7, but it might just be 5. And when I do, I will be buying anything that's down significantly. So I'll probably be adding like a couple shares of Altria, some FRT, American Express I want to boost up a little bit. I could buy a bunch of SKT, but I'm kind of iffy on that one right now. I do want to get some more ExxonMobil at that price, and then Realty Income and McDonald's, but I'm not touching McDonald's. So if Realty Income stays about $50 or around 50 to 60 bucks, I'll probably just pour 500 bucks into that and get like 10 shares because I really do want to be focused on real estate. But anyways, guys, that'll be it for today. Let me know what you bought, if you bought anything, and let me know what stocks you're a fan of. Thank you guys for commenting. I know I have comments I have to answer on my last video that I did last night. From here on out, I will be doing videos after midnight. I know it kind of sucks, but that's my work schedule now. So the video today will be released on, today's Wednesday, so Thursday's video will be on Wednesday's numbers. So that's just how I'm going to start doing it because it's a lot easier for me. And I work at 4, so the market closes at 3, and it's hard to get the video recorded, tags, titles, and stuff, and get ready for work at the same time. So it's just easier time-wise to just get it done after work. So that's what I'll be doing from here on out. But anyways, guys, comment and let me know what you guys bought, what stocks you're a fan of, and maybe what your plan is throughout, the correction and whatnot. I would love to conversate about, you guys' picks and whatnot. So thank you guys for watching. Remember to subscribe to my Dividend channel, That Dividend Guy. Hit the subscribe button, and when you do, hit the bell notification so you get all the notifications of when I post new videos, because I do post Monday through Friday as consistently as possible. I try not to miss a day. Every once in a while I'll probably miss a Friday. But I'm trying to be consistent. So if you guys like dividends, if you guys like stock investing, passive income, and consistency, subscribe to the channel because you definitely don't want to miss it. We're almost at a 20K portfolio on paper, so I'm super excited. And like I said, I'm focused on 3, 6, 9, 12 on those months and getting my passive income up to $100 a month. So thank you guys for joining me on the journey, and I'll see you tomorrow with another dividend investing video. Take care, guys. See you tomorrow.